guys. Almost a year sleepless night. Look at my hands, Jamaica. Look at the deforming of my hands. Look at my hands. Look at my face. Look at my whole body. I'm shaping like an elephant. I am not proud of it, but it's because of my sickness. I am tired. I can't take it no more. There's not a night that I don't groan in my sleep. I try my best because of my illness, my rheumatoid arthritis, to stay alive and to be strong for my other children. But I can't. Coming here today was like, might as well I had stayed home. Because it's the same thing every time I come. Is it that the justice system is putting on a show for me to come every time the court date, to hear them putting it up and putting it up, and then at the end of the day, they give him bail? Come on.
What are they saying? What was the ruling? What did they say today in the courthouse?
I have to relate from what I was told by the Indicom officers and the detective on the case. They told me that nothing has changed, and the judge reminded the lawyers for him that nothing has changed from the 9th of February. What she said about they have to come up with something in writing why she should give him bail. And they refused until today to come up with good evidence, sufficient evidence to prove to them why he should get bail. But yet still, you know, it's Jamaica, and anywhere you go, him have a right, the lawyers have a right to apply for his bail. You understand? That don't mean him going to get it, but the bail hearing is on the 20th of September, which I think is stupidity. No bail hearing not supposed to go on there, so. From the forensic, go to the apartment at Chelsea and they find the blood of my daughter. They don't need no bail hearing for this boy. If I know you talk who, but you are going to get fucked for it. Oh no, excuse me language, I'm sorry. Clip out that one. Let me tell you something. Him have to be responsible for my child. Him don't need no bail hearing. Him don't need no bail hearing, Andre.
Too much evidence, Stephen.
Too much evidence is there. You understand? And I am sitting here, I can't even pull away from here. I am so torn up. I am so broken. I am really broken because how much time I'm going to come down here to hear court is 3 months time. Court is half a month, half a year time. Come on, man. 1 year, the 12th of July, my daughter is gone. I can't take no more court bail hearing and court suspension.
You want water?
Huh?
You want some water?
No, man, I have water here. I have enough water here. Thanks very much, Dad. You know? Yeah. All of the court that I have I visit here since I left the hospital. Because I must tell you, Jamaica, as you know, I spent so long in the hospital and I'm home now. But it's just the grace of God carrying me here. And all of the court that I visit, this one of me sitting here, I can't move. Because I can't understand. I can't understand what caused them not to wrap up this case today. What caused them not to wrap up this case? They told me that I can't have a lawyer. I could have a lawyer long time. They say I can't have a lawyer because the government is responsible for it. The DPP is doing this on their own. And if I have a lawyer, the lawyer can't interfere with the justice system. So I don't know if I'm dumb or I'm stupid, Mr. Oldman, but I want to be a law-abiding citizen. So I follow the rules of the Indicom department. So what should I do now? I must come back. I must come back on the 20th of September to watch Noel come back in his jacket suit like him is the president of America and greeting everybody in the corridor.
What you say I'm doing in there?
The man dressed up in a jacket suit,
Which was a jail
clean
clothes.
shave,
Clean shave?
clean
Yes.
shave,
And the
brown and pretty,
jumper suit, no.
brown and pretty.
Andre, in the no jail, Andre. Come
So you
on,
don't think it's a
Andre.
Andre,
jail cell?
the man put on back
We
all
are
him
not jail
weight.
clothes.
I don't believe them. Let me tell you something, Mr. Wellness and the rest of you who are in charge. You don't have to carry me to the cell where Andre, where him name,
No.
where Noel there. When me believe say him there in our cell. Noel not look like him there no jail cell. Noel a walk
Now
with the
all
two
in
hands,
a
sir.
jail clothes.
Noel a walk
Jail
with him two
clothes.
hands,
Our
sir.
brother
And
in
that's a
that
stop
jail
and a heal
clothes.
people and a talk to people. I have to turn to him and say, then Papa, you don't want to talk to me too.
Mm.
And he's taking me for a mock trick because him look at me and smile and say, yes, man, come let me talk to you.
That's what him smile at you.
He smile and say, come now. Somebody stop me in the hallway and say, Mama Sophia, don't go in there and be a police in there, then we frame you and say you attack him. Because the lady said me fi come with them. And when him go through the guard room, me I go through there one place where me see other prisoner come out. And the lady said, don't go in there. Then we frame you and say you attack him. Why would they want you to come in there to talk to Noel? Noel could talk to you in the passage. But I think he wanted to say something to me in the passage. But the police lady probably was doing her job. She said, no, me can't make you talk to her, so come down here, so. So me don't know what happened when the policeman said, no, you will not talk to him. So I said, sir, he's my son, you know. Regardless of what happened, I feed this boy like my child. Every Sunday, part the police vehicle with the whole of them night, hungry belly, the whole of them night. And then one of them sit down and share the food in the police car.
Wow.
I know it. I know well, boy, Noel. Noel, 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 Noel. I knew this was coming, Noel. Only if my daughter had listened to me. I speak with Donna. Andre, I speak with Donna. I talk to Donna every day. I said, Donna Lee, come out of that. Come out of that. Sometimes she come and she say, Mommy, me sorry for Cathy. I say, sorry for Cathy for what? Cathy called me and say, Donna, you see Noel? Come here, call him at the apartment and me not get him. I said, Donna, don't sorry for her. She's a sociopath. She will hurt you. She's also a police. They will set you up. That's right. I said, look good in the boy's face. He is a wolf in sheep clothing. I see it in his eyes. Something about him I don't like. Donna was too good to be real. I don't know. I just want to hear what happened to Donna. How much long, Andre? 11 months. What they want from me? They want me to walk the streets of Jamaica. They want me to walk the streets of Jamaica.
Special.
Good God Almighty, good God Almighty, good God Almighty. Justice, Donna. Justice for Donna Andre. I can't take no more. I'm tired of taking the pills. I'm tired of the pain. I'm tired of the separation. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Give her a water, please.
I can't breathe. Merciful God, merciful God.
Mommy.